Yeah, hello there. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm talking about my latest solution, which is an agentic loan officer. Earlier this year, I said I want to explore what's possible in the realm of AI. As a software engineer, so I was interested in what AI can bring to businesses and to individuals. So I want to explore the realm, share my discovery with you so that you can also leverage on it for your businesses and your personal careers, case may be. The last video I did was about MCP, which is Model Context Protocol. So what that does is actually a protocol that allow desktop applications or different kind of applications to interact with agents, and they can now perform action by doing function calling and perform a different kind of functions for you. In that video, I did a solution about Cloud Desktop, how you can talk with Cloud Desktop to get insight into your database by just giving normal natural language, like what's the latest customers, what's the most active customer this month, or what's the best customer, or what's my complaint health. So based on these natural prompts, it goes to your DB and gets real-time data that can benefit business people to make real-time decision. So that was superbly nice, nice application for businesses. But today it's more about agentic loan officer. So today it's more about concern about what happens in the world busy place, whereby people need to apply for loans in different places and it takes a while. It takes a lot of effort to do that. Now we are now bringing this solution I'm developing here. I'm talking about here brings about an AI angle to loan application, whereby it makes the loan application faster in the sense that the AI actually sieve out the bad eggs or people that are not fit to have loans by based on the training of the AI. So instead of having an agent or your loan officer having a lot of applications to process, this AI can actually stream down the application to like people that are actually liable to repay, or arrange the people based on the probability of them repaying the loan. So with that, your agent, your loan officer can actually easily make the decision on time and approve more loan as soon as possible. So it doesn't point delaying people that actually are worthy of getting loans. So this is an agentic loan officer that helps that build a conversation around loan application and helps people to get the agents and get loan approved faster. So today I walk you through the code base. So it's an open source project. You can find it on GitHub. I'll share the link below. It's an agentic loan officer. So and for this loan officer, we actually have basic. I have 4 agents. I have 4 agents that are. Let me make this smaller. Okay, let me make this smaller so that I can actually see it. Okay, so I have 4 agents that works here. So I have the coordinating agent, which is the agent that actually manages the conversation between the user and the platform. So based on the conversation, the AI is prompting the user to enter their age, their gender, the sex, their location, and the likes and the tenor. So based on the data, it now takes data and take this data to the next agent, which is a risk scorer agent. So what this agent does is like this agent it was one of my first projects I did, whereby I took Llama and I took OpenAI and I used 30,000 Nigerian worth of data sets for people that have applied for loan and their behavior and how they've repaid. So I use this data to train the model on the demography and how those each different demography, age, sex, location, how they behave in Nigeria with their loan repayments. So that's what that agent does. So I fine-tune the model to train it just for this particular purpose. I use a lot of tools online to make the job much easier. Now today I move on to the next agent is now the analyst. So based on the prediction of the previous agents, whether it's a minimal risk or a high risk loan applicant, it now triggers a recommendation whether you should reduce loan amount, whether I should give the guy the loan, whether I should collect more information about the guy so I can ensure that the loan so I can ensure that it's actually a safe loan. So then lastly, I now have the notifier agent that triggers an SMS to the user, your loan has been approved, and gives the data and analysis that the agent actually gives. So then we're going to do a demo for all of this. It's just to show you how the whole thing works. Let me make this bigger. Bigger. Okay. So you guys can see. So as you can see in this process flow diagram, that shows how communication happens between the agent and the customer and all the agents back and forth. So you can actually go down and spend your time to look at it and get more information about it. So not to waste too much time, let's go to our demo instantly and let's just demonstrate to show, okay, this one I did earlier. Let me just restart application. Okay, now, so this is a clean slate. So I can just say, can now say hi. just to show you how the platform works. So this deploy an Hugging Face. Hugging Face, like GitHub, is an open source, is a platform that supports all this lightweight deployment for machine learning solutions and the likes. It's prompting to add my age. It's prompting for a question to add my age. Now, as you can see by this side here, by your right, there are information that shows you. Okay, let me just put age. Let me just put 33 here. As you can see, it will update this. Oh, sorry. Oh, 33 years old. Okay. Oh, boom. As you can see, it has updated. Oh, that's a mistake. Well, the agent is still learning, so I can always change that the maintainer is not at 3. I think I got information wrong. So I can see as I'm entering those information, it's updating my details one after the other, and I can always change them as the case may be. But to save time, let me just quickly just copy a predefined message that I already have, so I can just copy this and paste it here. So we can have it, I think there's a typo here, this loan, not load. I can just click enter. Aha, so he has gotten my information. Then is showing back all my information. That is this correct? So age is 33. I want the loan for 33 days. I'm single, I'm married, I'm in Lagos. I want 80,000 naira loan. I can just say yes. So if the agent is not satisfied with my response, it will ask me to modify as the case may be. So it's not processing it. Let's wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, boom. So it has called the analyst agent. That's the agent that actually analyzed my data as a loan applicant. Then it calculates my repayment probability score, which is what you can see here. This is my repayment probability score of 50%. So that means I have minimum risk. There's a high chance I'm going to pay back my loan. And if you go all the way down, you can see all the information it has given to me. Probably I should increase my tenor or reduce my tenor, or whether I should reduce the amount or increase the amount. So you give a detailed explanation exactly of what is expected and what is safe, so that the loan officer can actually make an intelligent decision to actually approve or decline the loan. So let me just do the last demo here. Let me just send it as a mail to myself. So this is the last agent that will notify the user. Okay, yeah, that's my email. So submit. So submitting that. So while that is going, let's just quickly go down to the let's just quickly check the code. So for those that are interested in the code base, where is it here? Okay, yeah. Okay, now as you can see, so the code here talks basically about minutes please. Okay, why is it not coming up? Okay, yeah. So minutes please. Let me just pause the recording. Okay, so I've gotten that figure out. There was just a little glitch on our part. So this is a code base for the Agentic Loan Officer. As you can see, there's a coordinator. These are for the agents. There's the email agent, accommodation, and the repayment probability predictor agents. So that's the agent that coordinates the exactly how the application works. So there are different agents. You can pull the code base and check it out, modify it. You can now customize it for your own specific use, or you can reach out to me if you need more help as regards to the code base. So this is coordinating agent, and this is like the lab where I was doing my where I was experimenting with the solution to find the best way to actually solve this problem. And then you can see, for example, the predictor use a fine-tuned model. So I'll pass it to the fine-tuned model here, and with that fine-tuned model, the magic happens at the back end. So it used if you check out the utilities folder, let me check it out here. So you can see you have a language extractor that actually extracts language from the conversation. So based on the conversation, so you're looking for some keywords like gender, status, and amount. Use that to extract some keywords, then that can help you to determine how to respond to the user. Then we also have some prompts here that actually like give the agent a particular role. so they can know exactly how to answer questions that are being asked by the user. So that's that about the code base. Then finally, so finally, this solution was built with Python, Gradio, OpenAI SDK, and it was deployed on Hugging Face. So this is what I used to build it. So I've moved from just designing solo application using just one agent. So now having an autonomous agent with a coordinator that interacts, that calls other agents as tools or make function calls to MCP server and get things done, get a particular process complete for the user. So that's exactly what this solution is all about. So this solution is now applicable to people that actually give out loans in large scale. Okay, before then, I think the mail should have arrived by now. So let me just check my mail. Aha. So the email is already here. So that shows you. So all these are generated by the AI actually. So the template was created by the AI on the fly because I prompted one of the agents. One of the agents has a tool that can actually create emails. This simple, and so you can see the risk assessments. So all of this goes all down there. So this solution is actually meant for people that has give out loans, and so instead of the natural process of taking time to approve loans, you can now approve loan easily, where the AI can actually see what some applications and give you rich applications that can be used, that can be approved on time. So this is my third project this year on AI. So I'm just having fun with AI, just exploring what's possible. So I think I have 3 more to go. But my plan is to release 3 different applications in AI this year, just exploring what's possible and learning how to use those tools to leverage businesses, to leverage my career. So join me in my learning process. If you want to talk more about this, hit me up in the message. I'll be glad to hear from you, and let me know what you're building to, so I can also share with my network of friends. Thank you all for your time. Yeah, bye guys.